Good evening. The first topic now we are going with starting with Sandhi. Definition in Sanskrit, Hindi, and other languages, the changes caused by the combination of vowels and letters is called Sandhi. For examples, Vidya plus Alaya, Vidyalaya. In Hindi, परस्पर स्वरों या व्यंजन के मेल से उत्पन्न विकार को संधि कहते हैं। उदाहरण विद्या प्लस आलय। यहाँ पर विद्या और आलय दो अलग अलग पद हैं जिन दोनों को जोड़कर एक पद बनता है विद्यालय। तो इसमें चेंज विद्यालय है। संधि के प्रकार टाइप्स ऑफ संधि। नंबर वन स्वर संधि वॉवेल संधि। नंबर टू व्यंजन संधि कॉन्सोनेंट संधि। नंबर थ्री विसर्ग संधि। Now we are starting with Swar Sandhi. Types of Swar Sandhi. Number one, Gun Sandhi. Number two, Vriddhi Sandhi. Number three, Yan Sandhi. Number four, Ayadi Sandhi. Number five, Pururup Sandhi. Number six, Parurup Sandhi. And last, Dirgh Sandhi. Okay, now we are starting Dirgh Sandhi. In Dirgh Sandhi, there are two rules. Number one, if in Sandhi there is two letters, two pad, okay, as in English, there is as a word number one. If their first word is ending from the a, e, u, and re, and the second part is starting from the same letter, then will be same letters, dirgh letter will be there. Okay, like if there is a starting letter, the starting word ending from the a, and there is second letter, second word starting from the a, there is will be capital A. So for example, dharma plus r, artha, dharmartha. There is dharma. Dharma is ending from the a, and artha is ending. There is artha is starting from the a. There will be a dharmartha. Okay. Same like E, same like in U and Re. There is four letters and four swars is also same. Okay. For examples, there is a examples another there is a examples another example. There is Vidya plus Arthi Vidyarthi. There is Vidya plus Alaya Vidyalaya and Him plus Araya Himalaya. And this okay. Now we are going a second one. Second one is Good Sandhi. In Good Sandhi, there is if there is starting or there is a first word is ending from the a or a, small a and capital A, and second word is starting from the e and e, there will be a, and there will be a starting. If there will be a starting first letter is ending from the a and a, there is first letter is ending from the a and a is always, and second letter, if there is second letter starting from the u and u, there will be a o. If there is second letter starting from the e and re, there is will be a r, and re second letter is starting from the re, there is will be a al re. Okay, so for example, there is a first example will be there, a and a plus e and a e barabar a. Okay, so ram plus ishwarah rameshwara. There is ram is the starting letter, starting word is ending from the a, and ishwarah is the second word starting from the E. Okay, that will be a Rameshwara. And Maha plus Indra, there is a first word is ending from the A, and second word is starting from the E. There is will be a Mahendra. Okay, so now we are going with Re, Dev plus Rishi. There will be a Re, a change into the earth. Okay, so Dev Va is ending from the A, and Rishi is starting from the Re. There will be a earth, so there is Maharishi. Next Sandhi is a Vriddhi Sandhi. There is a Vriddhi Sandhi. In Vriddhi Sandhi, there is a two chain A, I and O. There were two chains. If there is a starting from the A and A, starting letter is ending from the A and A, there is the second word is starting from the A and I. there is will be a I. If there is first word ending from the O and A, and second word is starting from the O and O, there will be a O. Okay, so for example, there is one plus Aushadhi, one Aushadhi. There is one is ending from the A and there is Aushadhi starting from the O, there will be a one Aushadhi. Second example is Mahashadhi. There is Maha is ending from the A and Aushadha is starting from the O. There is Mahaushadha. There is two examples for a next Sandhi. There is a Yad Sandhi. In Yad Sandhi, there is first word is ending from the A, in E. There is a second word is starting from the U, Re, AI, and O. If there is starting from the and after that any sir, any sir, expect this. Okay, so if there is coming, first letter is ending, there will be a E change into the ya. If there is U and U will be there, there is U change will be an va. If there is re will be there, there is ra. If there is re there, there is ra. Okay. So for example, there is yadi plus api. In yadi, there is first word ending from the e and api is starting from the a. There is then e is changed into the ya. There is yadyapi. Okay. So anu plus ayam. There is another example. Anu plus ayam. There is anu. Anu is ending from the O and ayam is starting from the A. There is U will be Va. Okay, so Na will be Halan. There is Va. Change into the Va, there is Anvayam. Okay, so Pitri plus Adesha, Pitaradesha, Matri plus Ojasha, Matrojasha. There is now, and last Sandhi is Ayadi Sandhi. Okay, so in Ayadi Sandhi, I change into the I, O change into the Av. So if there is near base, first word is ending from the AI and second word is starting from the yeah, EE. There is will be a AI change into the I change into the I. Okay, so if there is was say first word is ending from the O and O, and second word is starting from the they will be there. Anything will be there. Okay, so if their O will be there, they change into the av, and O will be there, they change the av. Okay, so for example, there is ne plus anam. Ne is ending from the A and anam is starting from the A. So A is changed into the av. Aya. Sorry, there is will be Diana. Now Gai plus Akaha, there is Gai I ending from the I and Akaha starting from the A. There is I in change into the Aya. There is Gayakaha. Po plus Anam, Pavanam. There is Po starting from ending from the O and starting from the A. So there is O changing into the Av. There is Pavanam. Okay. Same like a Bhavanam. So that's all. This is the Sandhi. Okay.